Hi! Good morning! Happy Sunday to everyone. Kauwi ko lang po. Pero meron pa akong napakinggan. And i-interpret ko rin siguro sa pagiging, sa pa-understand ko sa sinabi niya. Nasabi niya, this is all about women. It's not Christianity. This is not out ng Christianity dito. This is all about women. Ang sabi niya, ang babae daw or a woman who can earn or earn her own money moves differently. Because when you earn your own income, sabi niya, when you earn your own income, you stop relying or you stop depending on others people's decision. Tama po. Na-get ko yon, tama yon. You choose wherever you go, wherever you stay, or what kind of life you want to build. Money doesn't change you, who you are. But it gives you freedom to be yourself. Ang sarap pakinggan, And that's kind of independent, that kind of independence is the most powerful things a woman can have. Wow, nice. Share ko lang na ang pagiging babae ay hindi kahinaan. Pagiging babae is ipakita na kaya mo rin tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Kaya mo rin na makipagsabayan sa mga lalaki, siguro hindi man sa palakasan, pero sa diskarte. Kaya kung ikaw, meron kang kinikita at meron kang aim, meron kang dream, go on, fly. Huwag mo lilimitahan ang sarili natin na lumipad wherever you want to stay, kung ano i-build mo sa buhay mo. And kung may mga partner kayo, syempre sharing kayo. But I'm talking about is when you own your own money, and if you're single, and wala ka pang balak mag-asawa, build yourself. Be independent, learn how to do things na beyond sa iniisip mo. So, mag-empower woman tayo. Hilamang po. Just sa sharing, kanya-kanya tayong kuro-kuro. Bye! May you have a blessed Sunday!